Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make roux for gumbo. Roux is a fundamental thickening agent in Cajun and Creole cooking, created by cooking fat and flour together. It's crucial for developing the deep flavor and rich color that defines a classic gumbo. Understanding the different stages of roux is key to achieving your desired taste and consistency for your dish. To begin, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need equal parts fat and all-purpose flour. Vegetable oil is a popular choice, but butter or bacon grease also work well. A heavy-bottomed pot or cast-iron skillet is essential for even heat distribution, and a sturdy whisk or flat-bottomed wooden spoon will be your best friend for constant stirring. Now, let's cook. Heat your fat over medium heat until it shimmers. Gradually whisk in the flour, creating a smooth paste. This is where patience comes in. You must stir constantly to prevent burning and ensure even cooking. Continue cooking until your roux reaches the desired color, which can range from a light blonde to a dark chocolate brown. The color of your roux directly impacts its flavor. A white roux is cooked briefly, while a blonde roux develops a nutty taste. For gumbo, you'll typically aim for a peanut butter color, which offers a rich, deep flavor. A dark chocolate roux provides the most intense, complex flavor, but requires careful attention to avoid burning.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.